Authority in organizations. Authority is the legitimate right to make decisions and to tell subordinates what to do. Traditionally, the authority is related to a position rather than the person in that position. This formal position authority is generally the primary means of running an organization. For example, a boss has the authority to give an order to a subordinate. A legitimate order which a boss gives to the subordinate employee is usually carried out. In this way, the organization can move forward and achieve its goals. However, authority in an organization is not always position dependent. People with particular expertise, experience, or personal qualities may have informal authority. For example, people who carry themselves with confidence or can deliver valuable information will work effectively with those in higher positions. Effective managers are aware of informal authority as a factor that can help or hinder the achievements of organization goals. The main authorities in organizations are the board of directors, the chief executive officer, and the top management team. The corporation is managed by the board of directors. The board of directors are elected by the stockholders to oversee the operations of the entire organization. The board's membership usually includes some top executives called inside directors. Outside members of the board tend to be executives at other companies. In recent years, there is a trend of reducing the inside members and increasing outside members. The board made of outsiders are more likely to provide added information and perspectives for the organization. Although the owners of the corporation are the stockholders, these individuals generally lack timely information. There can be many shareholders, but only few may be directly involved in the managing of the corporation. The board, led by the chairman, makes major decisions affecting the organization and is subjected to corporate chapter and by law provisions. The board performs at least three major sets of duties. Firstly, the board selects, assesses, rewards, and perhaps replaces the chief executive officer. Secondly, the board determines the firm's strategic direction and performance. Lastly, the board ensures that the firm's conduct is legal, ethical, and socially responsible. The chief executive officer occupies the top of the organizational pyramid and is personally accountable to the board and the owners for the organization's performance. In some corporations, the CEO can be the president and the chairman of the board of directors. When the CEO is serving as president, the chairman's position may be honorary in nature without much control at hand. In other cases, the chairman may be the CEO and the president is second in command. In recent years, the trend has been to separate the positions of the CEO and chairman of the board to improve corporate governance. Control of the board of directors can be affected when the CEO is a dominant figure. In such cases, some boards have acted to reduce an unpopular CEO's power or to help prepare a successor for the CEO. The top management team shares the authority of the CEO, and the team includes the CEO, president, chief operating officer, chief financial officer, and other key executives. Rather than making critical decisions on their own, CEOs at companies such as Shell, Honeywell, Merck regularly meet up with their top management teams to make decisions as a unit. Corporate governance is the oversight of the firm by all its executive staff and board of directors. It is a key responsibility of the top level of the organizational hierarchy. Corporate governance is crucial to maintain credibility of the company and public's trust. The implementation of Sarbanes-Oxley Act, which along with requirements by the Securities and Exchange Commission imposed much tighter corporate governance rules. For example, company chief executive officers and chief financial officers now have to personally certify the accuracy of their firm's financial statements. Let's have a pop quiz to check our knowledge of authority. Traditionally, authority resides in people and not in positions. Is it true or false? What will be your answer? Have an answer ready and compare that against what we will reveal. The correct answer is false. Authority is the legitimate right to make decisions and to tell other people what to do. Traditionally, it resides in positions rather than in people.